Good morning, my dear students. Today I will start class 2 maths, repeated addition, multiplication statement, and what is product. At first, I will tell you if each and every time we will addition the same number, that is called the repeated addition. If we should edit the same number, that is called the repeated addition. Repeatedly you will add the numbers in same. This number 9 also the same, you should add it repeatedly, that is called the repeated addition. Multiplication statements, that means at first you should find out from the repeated addition how many times the same number added. How many times here? 3 times here the same number added. That's why we should write here 3, because it is 3 times. Each and every time we should edit 5, so we should write here 5. Do you understand? That is called the multiplication statement. And product is the result of multiplication, and also the which one we get after multiplication, that is called the product. Do you understand? I will tell you again what is repeated addition. You will edit the number. Suppose it is 4. You will edit the numbers 4 again and again. You should write or edit the numbers 4. If you should edit the number 4 in same number in every times, that is called repeated addition. You will add the same number repeatedly, that is called the repeated addition. That means you should addition the numbers with the same number, that is called the repeated addition. After that we will go the multiplication statement or multiplication fact. That means repeated addition also one kind of multiplication fact or multiplication statement or multiplication process. That means if we should edit the same number, so at first we will find out how many times the same number added. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So we should write here 5 at first. After that we will write this same number, this particular number we should write next as a multiplier, that is called multiplicand. Product is the result of multiplication, or product is the multiplication result. Okay, 5 9s are 45, so we should write here 45. Okay, do you understand? 5 9s are 45. That means you should, I hope you learned the table of 1 from 1 to 10 table, learned or memorized it. After that I will do like this. 4 7s are. So if you don't know the table of 4, that means you don't know the answer. So you should learn 1 to 10 table. Okay, so it is for you. Can you tell me how many 7s are there? Write here at first how many 7s are there. Write the numbers, how many times 7 added. After that, each and every time we should add the same number is 7. So we should write here 7. After that, we should write here the product. That means the result of multiplication. After that, I will go the next. I will go the multiplication process with the table. That means we should put the number in place value. Suppose it is 3 here, it is 4 here. So we should write at first, we should write here the multiplicand. That means as multiplicand, 3 is at the place of 1, so we should write here 3. After that 4 is at the place of tens. 4 is at the place of tens, so we should write here 4. After that we should multiply with 2, that means multiplier is 2. So 3 2s are 6. Already know the table of 2 or 3. 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. So we will do it like this. So many tables are there. We will write the products in a table. Okay. So these are your homework. All of these things are your homework. So you should do it properly. With carrying number, without carrying number, these are without carrying number. I will tell you in my next class with carrying number how to add the number, how to multiply the numbers. Okay. Today I will tell without carrying number. 1, 10, 100. Okay. Suppose it is 4, 0, 3. You should multiply with 2. Okay. Also you should do the multiplication sign in the outside of the table. You should write the outside of the table multiplication sign here. Okay. 3 2s are 6, 2 zeros are 0. If we should multiply 100 with 0, also it is 0. That means if any number multiplied with 0, that is answer 0 or product is 0. If any number multiplied with 0, that is also the 0. That means if we should multiply with 0, any numbers multiplied with 0, the product is 0. That's why it is 0. 4 2s are 8. That means 806 is the product. Okay. It is multiplicand, it is multiplier, it is product. Do you understand these things? So today I taught you the multiplication process or multiplication facts or multiplication statement, product and the repeated addition. Okay. So you should do it properly at your home and very carefully you will do it. So many fill in the blanks are there. Suppose it is 6 multiplied with 8 box, 3 multiplied with 9 box, 5. That means which one is the smaller number? 6 is the smaller number. That means if you learn the table of 6, that means you can do the product. You can find out the product. 6 is a 48. If you know the table of 3, that means you will know the product. 3 9s are 27. If you will know the table of 4, that means 4 7s are 28. If you know the table of 5, that means 5 8s are 40. It is right over here. That means if you know the table of 1 to 10, table, learn it very carefully and show me in our WhatsApp group. Okay, 1 to table, write, read and learn. Okay, so these are your homework. Thank you my dear students. Thank you so much for watching and you should do your homework properly. Thank you so much.